Mostly sunny skies rounding out this month as we head into a new one. We'll get a little bit of a temperature dip overnight into tomorrow, but then the general trend again as we go through this week will be above average temperatures. Today's high 79 degrees. The average now sits at 70, and it is the last day of this month. So let's take a look at the stats. In fact, we've had 22 days this month with above average temperature. So that puts us at 70.6 degrees for the month, one of the warmest Septembers on record for us, above average by over 4 degrees. Really impressive. We've been feeling this month very mild, and September precipitation definitely below average. It's been quite dry. 1.32 inches is what we end the month with. That's below average by almost 2 inches. August was below average as well. So we are still seeing those drought conditions persist in our area, and more above average weather to come. Temperatures outside right now in the mid to upper 70s, 76 degrees currently, and then you can see the trend here. As we go into the start of a new month, we will see those temperatures dip a little bit as we go into our Tuesday, but for the middle to the end of this week, we're looking at high temperatures back in the mid to upper 70s. Any day in that yellow color is another day above average. In terms of our sky conditions, not a whole lot of measurable rainfall in this forecast or on the way. We could get a few sprinkles overnight. What we are seeing here are some high clouds just off to the south and east of the city right now, and then we widen the shot out. We showed you this at the top of the 5. We're still looking at the remnants of Helene, still some isolated light shower action across parts of the mountains of East Tennessee and western North Carolina, who are just so hard hit and just devastated. They do not need any more rain in this region. So we're looking at some light showers, and then up towards the north and east, some heavier rain now moving into parts of the mid-Atlantic as well as Pennsylvania there. We'll continue to monitor that. We do have a cold front on the way, and this will help move some of the energy off to the east. And for us, notice some light shower activity. It could bring us in a few sprinkles, but really for the remainder of the night tonight, we are looking quiet and also mild until this front pushes through overnight and into the start of tomorrow is when our temps will start to fall a little bit. I paused this at 2:30 in the morning. There you can see some isolated sprinkles moving on through. There goes the front. Change our wind direction in from the north. High temps tomorrow about 10 degrees cooler than today, and also tomorrow afternoon can't rule out an isolated sprinkle mainly off to the south and east. But once that front passes and then we go into the middle of the week, our temperatures do start to rebound once we get past Wednesday morning, and it's going to be a cool one with temperatures here starting off Wednesday, the coolest of the season in the 30s and 40s. So a little bit of a chill before we warm back up. Highs tomorrow in the mid to upper 60s. And notice the winds. It's going to be another breezy day. Gusty winds, 30, 35 miles per hour. You'll also notice the humidity dropping with the winds of change here moving on through. Notice our dew points just going down into the 40s and 30s. Very dry air moving in, so we'll wipe out any humidity that we're feeling out there right now. Not a bad looking forecast here as we go into the start of a new month. For tonight, temps holding steady near 60 degrees, a little bit cooler for our Tuesday, back up